Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is the 21st of April and today is a Nifty Expiry. We are opening absolutely flat. About this is the closing price. Average price was somewhere around here. So we are opening only 9 point in the positive. So the plan today would be, since we have taken a 1% hit the last time, plan today will be going less aggressive with the same capital. So yesterday price action 24,500 seems to be a good resistance. So since it is flat opening, most probably the straddle will open sub 200. Obviously it has closed at 257 yesterday, one of the lowest closing. So sub 200, or even I won't be surprised if straddle reaches 180 or 160 by 9:30. So yeah, today's approach is going to be a risk-averse approach. We are not going to take undue risk. We'll just try to come out of our drawdown. So I'll catch you when I take my first trade. The time is 9:10. The time is 9:23 and the market is making an up move. As I said earlier, the straddle opened 160 and is now trading at 142. Absolutely dirt cheap premium. So it doesn't make any sense shorting the market right now. We'll wait for some price action movement. Then maybe at that time we'll enter the trade. The time is 9:24. So the time is 9:43. We are just making an M pattern. Have sold the 24,550 call option with an appropriate hedge. We'll see if we need to sell call put option also to balance the premium, or if the market gives a runaway rally. The time is 9:45. Well, that absolutely backfired. We have a huge green candle. Had to exit the sold call option. We'll again wait for a proper entry. Time is 9:46. The time is 9:50. Market has given a proper breakout. So we have sold the 24,400 put option, waiting for clarity in entry in call option. Yeah, it has been some time like this. Whenever we enter a big candle, we have been waiting patiently till this point. We entered a big candle. So yeah, that's how it is. The time is 9:50. The time is 10:03. Small adjustment. We have rolled up the put option to 24,450. The call option remains at 24,600. The threat is on the call side, so we'll aggressively manage. We'll also keep in mind that any reversal can damage our puts, so we'll be on our toes. HDFC Bank is strong, and I see HDFC Bank is strong. Reliance is picking up from the bottom. And as far as open interest is concerned, 24,500 has on a dip in writing, while 24,450 put option is increase in writing, as well as 24,400 put option. Time is 10:04. Small update. We have moved down our call to 24,550 with a strict stop loss, obviously. We'll see the market move, and most probably we'll roll it back to 24,600. We have moved to 24,550. Yeah, the time is 10:24. Big buying from the lower level. So we have restock from the 550 call option. Now we are in put option only. Let's see if we need to sell a call option or we'll just risk manage from here. Seems the market is strong but whipsawing a lot. HDFC Bank is nearing a very important weekly resistance, and ICICI Bank is also at the day's high. Yeah, big green candle. We got out of the 550 call option on time. Now we'll see if we need to make any adjustment or we'll hold this trade for now. The time is 10:33. The time is 11 o'clock. Market has given a big up move. So now our position is 24,450 and 650. 200 points triangle. Putting it as 27 points of credit minus 2 rupees, 25 points of credit. HDFC Bank is breaking out, has broken out from an important resistance. So as ICICI Bank is on the Reliance has giving a good green candle. So yeah, the time is 11 o'clock. We'll get you at the next update. Brutal market going on. The time is 11:33. So we are seeing a bit of profit booking from the higher levels. So in that move, we have rolled down our call to 24,600 as well as booked profit on the 450 put and moved it down to 24,400. So it's 500. The spot is at 24,520. We are at 600 as well as 400. 200 points triangle. Not much premium today. Look, it's 94. Time is only 11:34. Good 2 to 3 hours left. Still the straddle is trading only at 94, showing a bit of a spike, not much of a decay also. So yeah, constituents, Reliance profit booking from higher level, HDFC Bank as well. ICICI Bank may revert to the day's high, opening high. IT is hovering around there. Reliance has more than average volume in this profit booking or selling, whatever you can call. HDFC Bank is average volume. So yeah, that's it from my side. Time is 11:34. See you at the next update. The time is 12 o'clock. The market is moving in a very small range. So currently we are at 450, 600 triangle, 150 points triangle. IT is moving up. Reliance was very weak. Actually, it had a steep fall with volume. So to manage that, IT moved up as well as ICICI Bank. HDFC Bank is strong today. Yesterday after the result, it was not that strong. Actually, it was weak. I guess the market is digesting the result now. Good for our long-term holding. So yeah, we'll continue to hold this range. The time is 12 o'clock. We'll see you at the next update. 12:13 update. This move was actually pending for so long. So we managed to get out of our 24,600 call option in time. Minimal damage. And now we have sold 24,500 put option. We'll see if we need to sell a call option later on or as and when the market demands. The time is 12:14. The time is 1 o'clock. So yeah, the market has been staying within this range. Currently we have 24,450 put option and 24,600 call option. 150 points triangle. The market has been volatile as usual. Reliance is very weak. The banks are okay, all right. In fact, they are gaining momentum. IT is just index management going down. Banks going up, IT and Reliance coming down. So currently we have 11 plus almost 20 rupees in 20 point in the credit. If you look at the OI, full day OI, 24,500 put, yeah, way below that. 600 has some 3.35 crore. We are on that. So yeah, the range hold for now and the trade was for now. The time is 1:02. I'll catch you at the next update. One more interesting thing I forgot to tell is the straddle. 2.5 hours to go, at least 2 hours for the averaging. It's actually trading at a mere 68 rupees. 68 point upside and 68 point downside. Crazy days. Well, yeah, that's what we don't need to complain. We'll play with whatever we have. The time is 1:03. 117 update. We have booked profit on the 24,450 put and rolled it up to 24,500. Now we have a 100 points triangle. 24,500 and 600. We'll risk manage it from here. Currently running in a small profit. Time is 170. We'll see you at the next update. 118 update. We have rolled up our puts to 24,500 and calls are at 24,600. Booked profit at 24,450 and rolled it up to 24,500. We'll risk manage it from here onwards. The time is 118. The time is 146. This massive down move actually had caught us. Not so bad. We exited 24,500 or 20 rupees and rolled it down to 24,450. Now we have a 150 points triangle, 24,600 and 24,450. We'll see if we need to roll up the put to 24,500. Now it's big candle coming in, green as well as red. So yeah, the time is 147. Actually Reliance very weak, pretty weak. Reliance. HDFC Bank is all right. ICICI Bank all right. IT is going down. So Nifty Bank is actually strong. 1.3% up compared to Nifty, which is only up half of that. So currently we are holding this range up a bit. So yeah, the real danger is on the lower side as per the premium. The time is 1:48. I'll catch you at the next update. 2 o'clock update. Massive chopping around. So we are still holding the triangle, 500, 600 triangle. 1 hour for averaging. Now it's just about the risk management as well as the risk reward. So time is 2 o'clock. Oh, it's the 3 o'clock update. Oh, what a market today. In the hindsight, it is very easy, but yeah, these chopping were very brutal. Only a Sensex, I mean, Nifty straddle to begin with. Oh, 140. What did it begin? 150, and at 9:30 itself, it was at 136. So yeah, nothing to play with. There's no much premium for you to take an aggressive bet. So we are ending up with 0.3% of the deployed capital. This will most probably go to zero. And at the end, we had to sit in a 550 straddle. 24 550 straddle, we sat for some time. Then we had to risk manage it. It was actually brutal. So yeah, nothing to complain about. That's how the market is. So that's it from my side. I hope you have some takeaways. The main takeaway I need to give is, I need to showcase via this channel is protect your capital. That's all what you need. Protect your capital. Everything else will fall apart. So that's it from my side. The time is 3:07. We'll close this position. And we'll catch you at the next Sensex expiry. Sensex expiry has not been kind to us. So Thursday we will deploy only maximum maybe 10 lakhs. That's all. We'll play very conservatively since we are in a drawdown now. Time is 3:07. Thank you. I hope you all had a great trading day.